Here it is! Beautifully remodeled ranch-style home situated on a quiet cul-de-sac. Skylights and vaulted custom ceilings add to the bright and open floor plan. Kitchen has breakfast bar that opens up to family room and dining area with quartz countertops, new cabinets and stunning lighting. 3 great-sized bedrooms. Primary has 2 closets and an ensuite bathroom. Roof was installed 2016. The fenced-in backyard has a large deck perfect for entertaining.